Are you an overpacker or an underpacker? Whenever I'm packing a suitcase, I always try at some point to try and imagine myself setting the bag on that scale. That's that moment of truth where when you put that suitcase up and that person looks at the little screen and either gives you a nod or a judgmental look, or actually the worst of all would be asking you to pull some things out of it with people all around you. It's terrible. My name's Levi Lusko, and the verse of the day is 1 Peter 4:8, where he says, "And above all things, have fervent love for one another, for love will cover a multitude of sins." Now, the context for this is Peter telling the church that the end of all things is at hand. Jesus' return, life ending, us standing before him. Talk about the ultimate moment of looking at the scale to see how heavy is my bag. Does my life weigh enough? Do I have regrets from what I did at home now that I'm standing here with eyes on the prize? And in response to that, what does Peter say we should do? Above everything else, we should have love for one another. For love, he says, covers a multitude of sins. That's what love does. Love covers. And the word love is agape, which is divine love, sacrificial love. And what love is that? That's the love, the greater love that anyone could ever see is the love of Jesus laying his life down for his friends. His love covers us. We're covered in righteousness because of Jesus' love. So if we're living that out, if we're living with our mind on what regrets do I not want to have when I stand before God, what will we do? We will, above all things, love each other fervently. That fervent love means stretching. The word fervent means to stretch out in love. It means however much love is easy for you to show, just give a little bit more than that. You will never regret it standing before God in heaven that you lived a life sacrificially loving the people around you.